Karate is a martial art developed in the Ryukyu Islands in what is now Okinawa, Japan. It was developed partially from the indigenous martial arts of Ryukyu Islands and from Chinese Kempo. Karate is a striking art using punching, kicking, knee strikes, elbow strikes and open hand techniques such as knife hands, spear hands and palm heel strikes. In some styles, grappling, throws, joint locks, restraints and vital point strikes are also taught. A karate practitioner is called a karateka.
Here come the karatekas of class 6 to 8 to present various katas. Seiza. It is a basic kneeling position used at the beginning and the end of a martial art class and is associated with going in respect for teachers and other students.
This is an art form that involves the mind and spirit as much as the body. All three must develop simultaneously for the practitioner to truly master the sport. While the body must remember how to move, the mind in turn must remember how to be still. Presenting before you the basics of punch, block and kick movements.
And now we have before us the various stretching techniques used in karate.
Okay, next kata. Pinatita.
Kata originally were teaching and training methods by which successful combat were preserved and passed on. Kata allows a company of persons to engage in a struggle using a systematic approach rather than individuals in a disorderly manner.
Naturally for many people, but self-confidence can be developed over a period of time. Through karate, as you can accomplish new goals, your confidence level increases. Showcasing before you is the four-man attack of karate.
Group self-defense.
When the speed and power developed in karate is used in a self-defense situation against the attacker, the results can be incredible. Karate allows the women to exercise many of her natural physical strengths.
often called nunchucks. Danger sticks, Juan Tuo or chain sticks is a traditional Okinawan martial art weapon consisting of two sticks connected at one end by a short chain or rope. The nunchaku is most widely used in martial arts such as Okinawan Kubo-Duo and Karate and makes a good training weapon.
Team Kata.
Team Kata is a fascinating event and is wonderful to watch. The most fundamental judging criteria of a team kata is synchronization and how well you keep in time with each other. In team kata, you must completely sacrifice the self for the group. Each of you must be indistinguishable from each other.
with various stepping kicks.
Reach, link, shun, sing, go. Reach, link, shun, sing, go. Beta. Individual self-defense.
Individual self-defense is one of the four principles of karate. Although karate is self-defense in itself, it focuses on high and spinning kicks which are not very suitable for real-life application. Self-defense is a mixture of all kinds of techniques, including grappling, blocks, as well as defending against arm attacks. Presented before you is the individual self-defense form of karate.
Nunchaku kata.
The nunchaku kata. Nunchaku is the Okinawan weapon composed of two pieces of wooden sticks connected by a rope. Nunchaku handles should be made from a hard wood which is both strong and flexible. The original nunchaku sticks were made from the core of a palm tree hardened 3 to 5 years in mud water. The wood became so hard after the constant soaking, it was unable to be cut even with a samurai sword.
Next drama.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, here we have before you a short drama wherein a brother and a sister are walking by on the roadside and suddenly they're attacked. Hold your heartbeat, parents, and watch how the drama unfolds.
was a brilliantly put up show. Give them a huge round of applause.
Flying kick.
A flying kick is a type of kick in karate which here is presenting before you the flying kick by Navdeep Surekha. Superb!
Dolphin jump is another breaking technique where the karateka jumps laterally and breaks the tile in mid-air. And here's presenting Apurva Singh doing the dolphin jump. Superb! And a brilliant performance by Apurva.
Breaking an object is a good way to practice concentration, power, focus, speed and precision on non-living objects without injuring oneself or another. In karate, the hardness of the object to be broken is usually subjugated to the difficulty of the technique to be employed. Thus, various parts of body are used. Presenting before you the tile breaking technique. And the body breaking is also going on. This is the tile breaking now. Stupendously performed by our young karatekas.
Seja. Mucho. Minute. Domani. Straight.
DJ Buka on the count.
Stand up.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, give them a huge round of applause. And now, I'll hand over the proceedings to our announcers, Anish Kanakdande and Achintya Joy. So here's Dhruv Parmar and Gupta Singhi signing off. Joy will now guide you through the remaining programs of the day. We once again extend you a warm welcome to the DPST legends of the sports arena. But before we begin, we'd like all of you to take a look at the house points. And the houses stand as follows. Agni House with 400 points. Bhumi House with 430 points. Dhatu with 560 points. And we have Jalam House still in the bottom with 360 points. Jivam with a big lead, they have got 675 points. And Vayu House has got 495 points.
Whatever individual races will be held up now, the scores will be added and then we will come to the final scores later on in the day.
Well, we have now reached the climax, the most anxious moment of the day. Any guesses? Well, it is none other than the individual races this year dedicated to the legends of sports. Individual races. Sprints are short running events in athletics and track and field. Races over short distances are among the oldest running competitions. These races require speed, adrenaline use, anaerobic respiration capacity, breathing and foot speed, to name a few. I would request the in-charges standing at the finishing line to please send over the first 3 winners of each race towards the announcement stands.
I request our coaches to please take your positions at the start and the finish line so that we can begin our races.
The first category for the individual races is 50-meter race for class 3 boys. And the participants are Shwet Sojitra, 3rd A, Dhatu House. Arjun Krishnan, 3rd A, Vayu House. Sumit Katoj, 3rd B, Jeevam House. Devrat Rathod, 3B, Jeevam House. Mohammad Mohsin, 3A, Agni House. Zayed Khan, 3B, Bhumi House. Sanidhya Bajaj, Vayu House. Tanmay Gajjar, Vayu House. And Mohammad Noorani, 3B, Agni House. All the best, boys.
Okay, are you all ready for the race?
And we begin with the first race for today. And the runners are running with high speeds. That was a great run, boys. The next category is 50-meter race for class 3 girls. And the participants are Tia Kapoor from Agni House, Netra Kanani from Jalam House, Maria Sheikh from Agni House, Pira Devani from Dhatu House, Nandini Juneja from Jalam House, Aneri Joshi from Vayu House, Mahek Lapsiwala from Vayu House, Hiya Rakholia from Jalam House, and Jia Gupta from Bhumi House. All the best, girls. The next race is frog race for class 3 boys. And the participants are Harman Tejani, 3A, Dhatu House. Yaksh Mehta, 3A, Agni House. Jeet Raj Singh, 3A, Vayu House. Dhyan Jariwala, 3A, Bhumi House. Jay Tamakuwala, 3B, Jeevam House. Sanidhya Gangre 3A Jeevam House and Kabir Kaludi 3A Jalam House. All the best, boys.
मैडम सर
The next category is frog race for class 3 boys, girls, and the participants are Rutvi Mewawala from Dhatu House, Devika Rathore from Agni House, Yashvi Khandelwal from Vayu House, Hesa Chauhan from Dhatu House, Pritika Sihare from Bhumi House, Priyal Shah from Jalam House, Upasna Mukherjee from Jeevam House, and Minoli Saxena from Dhatu House. Best of luck, girls.
मैडम हेलो
Jump to the finish line, girls. Look up. Now, I would like to call Mr. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Kapadia, parents of Zoya Kapadia.
They said you all are disqualified. You are not doing properly. Devika.
Mr. and Mrs. Kapadia, parents of Zoya Kapadia of class 4A. Mr. and Mrs. Tulsian, parents of Harsh Tulsian of class 4A. Mr. and Mrs. Burgle, parents of Ansh Burgle of class 4B. And Mr. and Mrs. Jogani, parents of Rahil Jogani of class 4B, to kindly come near the control tent.
I request Mr. and Mrs. Kapadia, parents of Zoya Kapadia of class 4A, to please come near the control tent. Can you please come near the control tent? This side here, where the announcements are being made. Mr. and Mrs. Tulsian, parents of Harsh Tulsian of class 4A. Mr. and Mrs. Bargale, parents of Ansh Bargale of class 4B. And Mr. and Mrs. Jogani, parents of Rahil Jogani of class 4B. All these parents are requested to kindly come near the control tent. I request Mr. and Mrs. Chaturvedi, parents of Pranshuta Chaturvedi of class 4A, to kindly come near the control tent. Mr. and Mrs. Chaturvedi, parents of Pranshuta Chaturvedi, please come near the control tent.
उचकीने नहीं है तो आ कॉर्नर में खाली स्ट्रेट ले ऐसे ले हाँ तो फोटोग्राफी में
We need two help. One is for taking winners. No one is there back, and one taking them again this side. Those who are there in the race.
Now we have before you the next category, that is book balance. This race depicts the skills of balance combined with the speed and concentration. The next category is book balance race for class 3 boys. And the participants are Teerth Shah of Jalam House, Jay Parmar of Dhatu House, Takshil Premani of Agni House, Kushal Talati of Jalam House, Priyansh Bhagwani of Dhatu House, Sharanya Purkayastha of Bhumi House, Arya Mukherjee of Jeevam House, and Jihan Sakaria of Dhatu House. All the best, boys.
On your mark. Set.
Come on, boys, balance the book, don't let it fall down. And the race comes to an end. Well done, boys. The last category of class 3 was the street race for boys and girls, which has already been done. We have the results of the race here with us. With this, we come to the end of individual races for class 3. And now we come to the prize distribution ceremony for the class 3 individual events. I would like to request Mr. and Mrs. Chaturvedi to kindly come forward and hand over the prizes to the winners for the 50-meter race.
And we have the winners with